Welcome to EDU World Space.
So this is a great topic to understand. Ozone, while the chemical properties don't change necessarily, it's still ozone. The presence in the upper atmosphere or the lower atmosphere makes a huge difference on its effect and whether we consider it good or bad. So first, let's take a look at ozone. Ozone is O3, an O3 molecule, okay? And we know that oxygen is usually in the form of O2, okay? That's sort of its happy place. And in fact, if you look at the Lewis dot structure, you see these three oxygens bound together. You end up with a positive charge and a negative charge, making it neutral, okay? So O2 and O3 are both neutral molecules. However, having these extra charges means that ozone is much more reactive and unstable than oxygen. So when we are talking about ozone in the lower atmosphere, the problem here primarily is inhaling it, breathing it, okay? So it does cause some health issues and chest pain, coughing, irritation, etc., even in healthy people when inhaled. It can also, just like it's bad for us to breathe in, a lot of plants, vegetation, ecosystems start to die off when exposed to too much ozone in the lower atmosphere. Okay. Um, in the upper atmosphere, where we can't necessarily breathe it, it is actually rather protective. So I have our little sun here, and if we have a light ray hit O3, what we are going to get is O3 is going to absorb that energy just to make O2 and oxygen. Okay. And rather than that energy going all the way down to us, it being absorbed by the ozone keeps us safer from radiation. The reason that it smells like a spring thunderstorm is because down here, when you have oxygen, just O2 near each other. Oh, those are two separate molecules, not the same molecule. Okay. And say you have a lightning strike. What that lightning strike will do is that it can form the high energy O3 molecule. So that energy can be placed into a reaction to form O3.